Okay, in this video we are going to sum up the digits of a number, of an integer number, precisely. First, we create a variable, we can call it number, and we will assign to it the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to sum each of the digits of this number. So, in this case, we will get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and plus 5. The result of this summation will be 3, 6, 10, 15. The total sum of these digits of the number 12,345 is 15. How do we can sum up the total of this number, of these digits of the variable number? Okay, we can use this expression. I will create a variable called total, and in this case we can call the sum function that is incorporated in the Python programming language. We will convert this number to a string, of characters. Each character will be a digit. First, we called the str function and pass as argument the number variable, the content of that variable. Okay. In this case, this highlighted sub expression will be a string. So we can use a for loop to iterate each character. We write for C represent each character in the string that we get from the conversion from integer to string. Okay, so we, in this case, in this highlighted expression, we get a for loop. In each iteration, we get each of these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But each of these characters will be a string. So we need to convert each one in an integer value. We can use the int function, int, and pass as argument the C variable, the iteration variable for this implicit loop. Okay, now we can show in the terminal the content of the total number. We use the print function and we can pass the total, the content of the total variable. Okay, we can execute this code using the yellow play button, and we get 15, the total sum of the number 12,345. We sum each of the digits of that number. We get 15. This result. Good.